name is Kayla Tasio, and this is my FitenessGram data analysis from the CNUSD district. These are my 6 schools, logos, and grades. For Eisenhower Generals, Benjamin Franklin, Foothill Elementary, Temesco Valley, Orange Elementary, and Norgal Elementary, all grade 5. Here are my report findings. In the overall California Physical Fitness Report, males only have a 3.9%, while females have a 7.5% when it came to their aerobic capacity with students who needed improvement because they were at health risk. My first school was Eisenhower Elementary. This school means a lot to me because I attended this school from 1st to 6th grade. My older brother and my younger brother also attended this school. My younger brother was here during the 2017-2018 school district. Overall, the body composition needs to improve and is at a 6.8 for students that need improvement because they are at a health risk. Aerobic capacity for females is 28.8, body composition 64.4, abdominal strength 68.5, trunk extension strength 78.1, upper body strength 72.6, and flexibility at 87.7. While males are at a 52.5 for aerobic capacity, body composition at 63.9, abdominal strength at 75.4, trunk extension at 72.1, upper body strength at 83.6, and flexibility at 75.4. This is telling me that the students need to regulate their breathing to take in more oxygen. I remember running the mile, and students couldn't do it because they were out of breath. I, on the other hand, could handle when I needed to take breaths and when I needed to help me run. There are a total of 724 people at Orange Elementary, a total of 350 boys and 374 girls. More boys tested in grade 5 with 59 boys and 52 girls in each category. Aerobic capacity, body composition, abdominal strength, trunk extension strength, and upper body strength and flexibility all tested differently between boys and girls. Aerobic capacity at 86.4 compared to girls at 71.2, body composition at 64.4 with girls at 57.3, abdominal strength were for boys at 83.1 and girls at 57.3, trunk extension strength at 88.1, girls at 63.5, upper body strength at 69.5 and girls at 71.2, and flexibility both at 64.4. They need improvement on the aerobic capacity, males having a 1.7 while females having a 7.6. What this data is telling me is that males have a higher percent rate than females because the school has more males than female students. Here is my data found. They are at the same because they are in the same district competing for the same amount of success, ranging only a few miles apart from each other. The difference is the amount of children attending each school, with Eisenhower having 138 more students than Orange. Since Eisenhower does have more students, the percentage has an increase compared to Orange Elementary. I learned that the total amount from each school took into factor for each category. This can be applied when compared and contrast for future projects I need to take on, knowing how to research materials and process them in order to comprehend the assignment. Overall, this experience was one of a kind. Here are my credits and resources used for each materials. Thank you.